Dear students, in the last video we completed chapter 2 elements, compounds and mixtures. Now we will do a back exercise. Here we have first select the correct option. First part, which is the symbol of mercury? Cu, Hg, Au and Mg. Symbol of mercury is capital H small g. Select B option. Second, which of the following is a metal? Nitrogen, oxygen, sodium and carbon. Sodium is a metal. So tick C option. Third, which of the following is the most unreactive metal? Iron, lead, aluminium or gold? Select D option. Gold is most unreactive metal. Fourth, which of the following is a soft metal? Sodium, cobalt, magnesium, iron. Select A option. Sodium is a most soft metal. Fifth part, which of the following is a molecule of compound? Ozone, chlorine, water, hydrogen. Molecule of compound means molecule made up of different elements. So select C option, water, H2O. Sixth, the positively charged particles in an atom are called neutrons, electrons, protons, none of these. Positively charged particles are called protons. Select C option. Seventh, which of the following non-metals is found in liquid state? Iodine, chlorine, bromine, carbon. Carbon, not carbon. So here bromine is found in liquid state. Tick C option. Next we have true false. First, a molecule is the smallest particle of an element. True. Second, a pure substance consists of particles of only one kind. True. Mercury is a non-metal. False. True statement is mercury is a metal. Fourth, water is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen gas. This statement is false because water is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen elements. Write on true statement. Water is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen elements. Fifth part, constituents of a mixture are present in a fixed proportion. This statement is also false. True statement is constituents of a mixture are present in any proportion. In any proportion. Sixth, in a homogeneous mixture, constituents are uniformly mixed throughout the mixture. True. Seventh, air is a heterogeneous mixture. Statement is false. True statement is air is a homogeneous mixture. Next we have fill in the blanks. First, substances which can be beaten into sheets are called dash. Malleable are called malleable. Second, metals are dash conductors of heat and electricity. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Write on good. Third, dash cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by chemical methods. Elements. Elements cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by chemical methods. Fourth, the smallest particle of an element or a compound that can exist on its own is called dash. It is a molecule. Write on. Is called a molecule. Fifth, atoms join in dash numbers to form molecules. Write on. Atoms join in whole number to form molecules. Sixth, the molecules of a compound contain atoms of the dash kind. Atoms of the different kind. Seventh, chemical dash represent one atom of an element. Write on. Chemical symbols represent one atom of an element. Match the following. First part, smallest unit of matter which may or may not have an independent existence. Match first with D, atom. Atom. Second, a non-metal that conducts heat and electricity. Match second with E, graphite. Third, molecule. Match this with A, smallest unit of a compound. Fourth, a noble gas used for filling weather observation balloon. Match fourth part with B, helium, used for filling balloons. Fifth, a liquid metal at room temperature. Match this with C, mercury. Mercury is liquid metal at room temperature. Next, complete the following table. First we have CO2. CO2 means carbon and oxygen. Then capital C small a means calcium. Write on calcium. And capital O means oxygen. Capital P small b means plumbum, and plumbum means lead. So write on lead. Capital O means oxygen. Formula of compound is capital P small b, capital S. Capital P small b means plumbum, write on lead, and capital S means sulfur. Formula is capital C small u, capital S. Capital C small u means copper, so write on copper, and capital S means sulfur. Capital F small e means iron, write on iron, and capital S means sulfur. Here compounds are written along with their formulas. We have to write number of elements and name of elements. First one is done. Like copper sulfate, CuSO4, 3 elements, 1 copper, second sulfur, third oxygen. So names of elements are copper, sulfur and oxygen. Second, zinc sulfide, ZnS. Zn means zinc. So here we have 2 elements. First element zinc, then sulfur, 2 elements. And names are zinc and sulfur. Ammonia, NH3, 2 elements, 1 nitrogen, 1 hydrogen. So names are like nitrogen and hydrogen. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, 3 elements, 1 hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Names are hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, 2 elements, first and second. Names are hydrogen and chlorine. Table salt, NaCl, 2 elements, first and second. Names are sodium and chlorine. In next table they have written substances, and we have to find out whether these substances are elements, compounds or mixtures. First one, gold. Gold is element and it is made up of one kind of atom. Second, diamond. Diamond is pure element made up of carbon. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is compound made up of carbon and oxygen. Air. Air is a mixture mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and many other gases. Seawater. Seawater is also a mixture of water, salts and minerals. Then pure water. Pure water is compound made up of two kind of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. Iron. Iron is element made up of only one kind of atom. Ammonia. Ammonia is compound made up of two kind of atoms, hydrogen and nitrogen. Soda water. Soda water is mixture made up of water and carbon dioxide. Table salt. Table salt is a compound made up of two kind of atoms, sodium and chlorine. Next, understanding ideas. First, answer in one word or in one sentence. First part, what is the atomicity of an ozone molecule? 3. Second, what does a chemical formula represent? Chemical formula represents one molecule of the element or compound. Third, are metalloids a mixture of metals and non-metals? No. Mixture of metals and non-metals are called alloys. Fourth part, how many atoms are there in polyatomic molecules? More than 3 atoms. Fifth part, what does nucleus of an atom contain? Nucleus of an atom contain protons and neutrons. Define the following terms. First one, atom. An atom is a smallest particle of an element that may or may not have independent existence. Molecule. Smallest particle of an element or a compound that has independent existence. Third, heterogeneous mixture. Mixture in which the components are not distributed uniformly, called heterogeneous mixture. Next part, answer the following questions in short. First question, what is an element? Name any 5 elements. Elements are pure substances which can neither be broken down nor formed from 2 or more simpler substances. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon and helium. Next question, name any 2 malleable substances. Gold and aluminium are malleable substances. Then ductile substances, gold and copper both are ductile substances. Third question, what are non-metals? Name any 4 non-metals. Non-metals are the chemical elements that mostly lack the characteristics of metals such as malleability, ductility and conductivity. Examples are carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and boron. Fourth question, what are compounds? Name any 4 compounds. A chemical substance composed of 2 or more elements held together by chemical bonds, called compound. Examples, salt, water, carbon dioxide and sugar. Fifth part, name the following 2 elements whose names start with letter C are carbon and copper. B part, 2 elements whose symbols have the first letter A. These are like aluminium, symbol is capital A, small l, and argon, symbol is capital A, small r. Sixth question, what is meant by valency? Write the valency of sodium, magnesium, calcium and aluminium. Valency is the combining power of an element. and valency of sodium is 1, of magnesium is 2, of calcium 2, and of aluminium is 3. 7th, write down the symbols for each of the following elements. Iron, capital F small e, oxygen, capital O, silver, capital A small g, gold, capital A small u, carbon, capital C, calcium, capital C small a, sodium, capital N small a, sulfur, capital S. Next, name the elements having the following symbols. Al, aluminium, capital N, nitrogen, capital Z small n, zinc, capital C small u, copper, capital H small g, mercury, capital P small b, plumbum means lead, capital M small g, magnesium, capital P means phosphorus. Next part, write down the molecular formula for each of these molecules. Oxygen O2, nitrogen N2, chlorine Cl2, hydrogen H2, all are diatomic. Question number 10, write down the formula for each of the following. First one, zinc chloride, capital Z small n, capital C small l 2, capital C. Potassium hydroxide, capital K, capital O, capital H. Magnesium oxide, capital M small g, capital O. Carbon dioxide, capital C, capital O 2. Zinc sulfide, capital Z small n, capital S. Dinitrogen oxide, capital N 2, capital O. Question number 11, name the following chemical compounds. ZNO, it is zinc oxide. CaS, calcium sulfide. CuO, Cu means copper, O means oxide, copper oxide. Capital F small e means iron and S means sulfur. So it is iron sulfide. Iron sulfide. Ca means calcium. S means sulfur, so sulfide. Fe means iron. S means sulfur, so sulfide. Zn means zinc. O means oxygen, so oxide. Cu means copper. O means oxygen, so oxide. Question number 12. What do you understand by a pure substance? Is milk a pure substance? A pure substance is a kind of matter which consists of same type of particles that cannot be separated into its components by physical means. And milk is not a pure substance. No, milk is not pure substance. Next, we have answered the following questions in detail. First part, what are metals? State their 4 properties. Also name any 4 metals. Answer is, metals are the elements that readily forms positive ions. And properties are, metals are malleable, metals are ductile, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are lustrous. Examples, gold, aluminium, iron and copper. Second, how do molecules of compounds differ from molecules of elements? Answer is, a molecule of a compound has atoms of different elements combined in a fixed whole number ratio. Examples, carbon dioxide means CO2 and water means H2O. Different elements. A molecule of an element has atoms of same elements combined in a fixed whole number ratio are called molecules of an element. Examples: hydrogen gas H2, same elements. Oxygen gas O2, same elements. Third question, give at least 4 differences between metals and non-metals. This you can write from page number 19. Difference between metals and non-metals. Fourth question is, list the characteristics of compounds. Characteristics of compounds are as follows. First one, a compound is a pure substance. Second, a compound has same properties and same composition. Third, elements in a compound cannot be separated by physical methods. Fourth part, energy is released or absorbed during the formation of compound. Fifth, a compound has distinct properties from the original components. Fifth question, differentiate between mixture and compound. This you can write from page number 29. Difference between compound and mixture. Sixth question, give the characteristics of mixtures. First characteristic, the components of a mixture can be separated by simple physical processes such as winnowing, filtration, evaporation, and many other. Mixtures can be heterogeneous or homogeneous. Third, formation of mixtures does not involve any energy change. Fourth, the components of a mixture retain their original properties. Fifth one, in a mixture, the components are mixed mechanically in any proportion. Not chemically, they are mixed mechanically in any proportion or ratio. Next part, think critically. Is sand and sugar together a mixture or a compound? Give reasons. Answer is, sand and sugar are mixture because they are not chemically bonded and show property of their components. They are not chemically bonded. They are mechanically mixed. Second, why is air regarded as a mixture? Air is regarded as a mixture because it consists of number of gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, etc.